First of all, my euphoric welcome to all my cheers who are going to hear my words, read my books, and my song of lyrics. Here of all, I'm welcoming you all to my own planet. I'm K. Dakshita, and I'm a normal June-born baby in the lucky number of 9, 2003. From my little foods, I'm passing my years in the Manchester of South India. Yeah guys, it is the Coimbatore city. In Stella Maris Nursery and Primary School, which was in Udumalpet, I have completed my gibberish nursery studies in a couple of years. In APG Matriculation Higher Secondary School, which was in Ganapati, I have completed my primary studies. And finally, in Crayons Public Senior Secondary CBSE School, I have completed my higher and senior studies, which was in Idigarai. And finally, I make sure to continue my journey of education in SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. And now I am a first year BCom student after completing my commerce group in my last school. I believe that every person born with something special with them. So likewise, I am a bit multi-talented. Here, I have started to create my success in hilarious kindergarten itself. Yeah guys, I have got many certificates in drawings and calligraphies. So while I'm concentrating in my higher studies, I have stolen a lot of time to explore the challenge in speech. Yeah guys, I have got many certificates in oratorical competitions and I love to speak in both Tamil and English. And guys, not only in speech but also I'm very congenial in advertisement makings, writings and group discussion. So even I am an adaptive person in this science world. And to explore my talent, I have participated in Science Olympia Silver Zone competition which was conducted in 2018 and acquired the first position in the whole class. And apart from this all, I'm more exclusive in doing cheesy and breaky crafty works. Do you think that my home would be definitely decorated with my bunch of artistic talents? And yeah, you're right. And my ambition is to become an IAS officer, Indian Administrative Service. And it is the most respectful and responsible post in the government service. So it have become my incredible ambition because in one word, it's my country and I do have the responsibility to make a top-notch one from a twitchy one. And here I'm feeling jubilant to share about myself here. I'm very thankful to SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science to give me this wonderful opportunity. Hats off, thanks a lot and bye.